Some big changes coming in weather-wise. We got some weather coming in tomorrow night, right?
Oh, yeah. Scott Maros, it's a very actually active pattern. You heard Lester Holt talk about some of the winter weather across the country. Well, for us today, we get to be spectators. We're watching that winter weather system impact, say, areas around Washington, D.C., Baltimore, the Mid-Atlantic. Well, of course, this system zipping on by well to our south, so we're missing out on that one. But this is just the first of 3 storm systems that are tracking across the country. Again, we're missing out on number 1. Number 2, this is the weather impact alert for tomorrow evening. We'll start out with some snow, then transition over to rain tomorrow night. Notice the storm's coming up from the south. That's key. It's helping to bring in some of that warmer weather. Now, the third one, this is the one with the most uncertainty. This is the one that will likely arrive as we head into the weekend. The reason for that uncertainty, look where it is. It is still out in the middle of the Pacific. It's got to travel across the ocean. It's got to travel across the mountains out west. There's not much information over those areas that gets put into our weather model. So it's pretty much all over the place of what we're going to see this weekend, whether it's all snow or potentially another mixed weather event. Nonetheless, plan on some impacts as we head towards the weekend, and we will fine-tune those details as we go through the next couple of days. But first, again, it's still only Tuesday after all. Let's talk about tomorrow evening system. Here's future look tonight. All quiet, temperatures settling teens to near 20. That's where we'll start out tomorrow morning. This at 7 a.m. No issues for your morning commute. Just a seasonably cold start to the day. Even through lunchtime, we're looking pretty good. And I think even towards late afternoon, while we will begin to see a few snow showers begin to develop, I think during the daytime, we're looking good on the roadways. They might get a little wet and grimy, but it's going to be roughly around sunset thereafter. So around this time tomorrow evening, now things are getting a little messier. Here we are at 6 p.m. We're still dealing with snow showers from Buffalo to Niagara Falls. We're still below freezing. So this snow now beginning to accumulate, certainly producing some winter travel. Going to need lots of extra time. We're now seeing that transition over to sleet and freezing rain across the southern tier. Certainly that will produce some slick travel. But look what happens as we get further into the evening. Now we're beginning to see all these numbers climb above 32. We're warming up through the overnights, and that's transitioning. Here we are at 2:30 a.m., and we are transitioning over to rain showers as we go through the overnight. And Thursday morning, yeah, there'll be a few scattered rain, wet snow showers. By then, this event will be winding down, and we'll really begin to shift our attention towards that weekend system. So as far as snowfall amounts, not expecting a whole lot. Coating to a couple of inches in around Buffalo, a little bit more so into Niagara County before we see that transition again over to rain showers later tomorrow night. So 7-day forecast tomorrow evening. We do have that weather impact alert. Things settle down on Thursday, although it does get cold and blustery Thursday afternoon. So be ready for that. Just quiet and cold here for Valentine's Day, and then watching that next system later Saturday night and into Sunday in the wake of that. We got another shot of some pretty cold air that does move in next week. Highs Monday, Tuesday, only in the teens to around 20.